Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to talk about something that is very special to me, my family. Family is where life begins. It's our first connection to the world. Everyone's family is different, and that's what makes each one special. In this talk, I'll tell you about my family, who they are, what we do together, and why they mean so much to me. I live in a small house with my family. There are 5 people in my family: my father, my mother, my older sister, my younger brother, and me. We also have a small dog named Coco. He is part of the family too. Let me start with my father. He is a kind and hardworking man. He works at an office and leaves the house early every morning. He comes back in the evening, always with a smile. He loves reading newspapers and watching the news. On weekends, he takes us out to the park or for ice cream. He is calm and patient, and I feel safe when he is around. My mother is the heart of our home. She takes care of everything. She cooks delicious food, keeps the house clean, and helps us with our homework. She has a beautiful smile and always listens to us, even when she is tired. She tells us bedtime stories and hugs us when we feel sad. She is the most caring person I know. My older sister is 2 years older than me. She is smart and always helps me with schoolwork. We share a room, and sometimes we argue, but we always make up. She loves music and sings beautifully. I like listening to her sing while I do my homework. She dreams of becoming a teacher one day. Then there's my younger brother. He is only 5 years old and full of energy. He talks a lot, asks many questions, and makes us laugh. He loves playing with toys, especially cars and building blocks. He is also a little naughty, but we all love him a lot. He brings joy to our home. And then there's me. I am the middle child. I help my parents with small chores, study hard at school, and play with my siblings. I love drawing and writing stories. I enjoy spending time with my family, especially when we are all together during dinner or on weekends. We have many traditions in our family. Every Sunday, we have a family meal where everyone sits together at the table. We talk, laugh, and enjoy our favorite dishes. During holidays, we decorate our house and cook special meals. On birthdays, we give each other small gifts and eat cake together. These moments are the happiest times for me. Even though we sometimes disagree or argue, we always forgive each other quickly. In my family, we learn to say sorry, thank you, and I love you. These simple words make our bond stronger. We also help one another. If someone is sick, everyone else tries to make them feel better. One thing I love about my family is that we support each other's dreams. My parents always encourage us to do our best. They tell us that it's okay to fail as long as we keep trying. When my sister sings on stage or I win a prize at school, they clap the loudest. Their support gives us confidence. We also believe in spending quality time together. After dinner, we sometimes watch a movie or play board games. On weekends, we go for picnics or visit our grandparents. These simple activities help us feel close and connected. Speaking of grandparents, they live nearby and visit often. My grandmother tells us stories from her childhood. My grandfather likes to sit in the garden and teach us about plants. They are wise and loving, and we learn so much from them. I believe family is not just about living in the same house. It's about caring for each other, helping one another, and sharing good and bad times together. A family gives us love, comfort, and strength. No matter what happens in the world, I know my family will always be there for me. In today's busy life, many people forget to spend time with their families. But I think it's very important. A happy family makes life easier and more meaningful. When we laugh together, cry together, and grow together, we become strong. So, that's my family. They are my world. I am proud of them and thankful for their love and support. I hope you enjoyed listening and thinking about your own family too.